Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 loaded with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Atomic EA, and to confirm, this is an MT5 only expert advisor built specifically for XAUUSD. All right, on the H1 time frame. Now on the marketplace, it is listed at 99 US dollars as a special limited time price developed by Massimiliano Tuzzolino, currently on version 3.0, updated on the 19th of June 2026. Now the description positions this as a liquidity based algorithm combining candle range theory with smart money concepts, okay, framed within an accumulation, manipulation, distribution cycle. In plain terms, the idea presented is that the EA tries to identify phases where price is manipulated away from a range before distributing in the real direction. And it looks to position only after that structural shift is visible. Okay, the listing describes a few components working together, SMC for market context, CRT for entry timing, a dynamic trailing stop paired with pre-order safety checks for trade management, and an on-chart dashboard showing the current phase and real-time status. Now, the page also states it includes margin filters and risk management designed to keep it operating within predefined safety limits. All right. Now, before we head over to the historical testing that I conducted myself, let's just briefly look at what we have provided here. So this is showing us an initial deposit of $50,000, and there was a total net profit of 5,335.3, and here we have a win rate of 71.64%, maximum equity drawdown of just 0.39%. That's quite impressive. Maximum balance drawdown 0.36%. Now, looking at the balance curve here, it shows the steady growth over time. So this looks like a promising one, right? It was over 10% profit between 1st January 2026 to 3rd June 2026. All right, so now let's just head over to our strategy tester and see how this expert advisor performed. Okay, so I ran this test on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame over about 7 months, or rather close to 7 months, from the start of the year, January through July 2026. Okay, so the starting balance is $10,000, and here is where it gets interesting. The win rate on this one was genuinely high. Okay, we can see there were 2,138 total trades with roughly 91% win rate. All right, and the 91% win rate is also even displayed both as, sorry, the overall win rate was 91.35%, but then the short trades win rate was still over 91%, like 91.5, and the long trades win rate was 91.2%. So this is excellent. All right, it is excellent. Now, on the surface, that's an unusually strong hit rate, but the account still lost money overall, down about $4,357.83. Right, so it's close to 44% of the starting balance that was lost. Okay, the reason becomes clear once you look at the trade sizes. The average winning trade was just $7.03, while the average losing trade was a whole $97.73, nearly 14 times larger than the average profit. And there was a single loss of $818.7, a single loss. That was the largest losing trade. So this is a case of a high frequency of small wins being outweighed by comparatively rare but much larger losses. Okay, so that shows up across the other numbers too. We can see that the profit factor, came in at 0.76, meaning that for every dollar made, more than a dollar was lost. Now, recovery factor was negative, and the Sharpe ratio was negative 2.75, both reflecting that poor risk adjusted outcome. Okay, now drawdown on the equity side reached just over 47% during this run. It's a significant swing for any account size. All right, and the average holding time was short, around 10 to 11 minutes per trade, consistent with the hourly precision timed entries that the listing describes. Okay, now, I want to flag something here rather than gloss over it. The size of that drawdown in this particular test is considerably larger than what the capital protection and predefined safety limits language on the listing might suggest. All right. So, a strategy that claims to limit, a strategy that claims to, have a safety limit and prioritize capital protection, um, having such a large drawdown of almost 47%, it doesn't seem to, make a lot of sense, right? And that is not something that I can explain from the information available, but it is a gap worth being aware of and testing further yourself, ideally across multiple time frames and with close attention to how losing trades are sized relative to winning trades. Okay, so to be clear, this is one broker's data over 1 7 month window, and results can shift with different lot sizing, risk settings, and market conditions. Based purely on what is shown here, this EA produced a high win rate that did not translate into a positive outcome because of how much larger the losing trades were compared to the winning trades. Okay, so that is an important pattern to understand before considering this for a live account. Okay, you want to test it thoroughly and pay close attention to lot sizing, not just win rate, okay, before you make any decisions. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.